Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Chemistry Jeopardy! Today the subject will be Unit 3. I am your host, Holden Levine, and let's get to it. Let's meet our first contestant, Faith Dorshowski, and our second contestant, Elijah Pearson. Contestant number 2, Eli. Which question would you like to pick?
Question 1 for 100 points.
Question 1, excellent choice. What is the shape of gases in a container?
What is fills the container?
Fills the container? That is correct. Eli, since you got the last question correct, you get to choose the next one.
Question 7 for 200 points, please.
The question is, what is a heterogeneous mixture?
What is a variable composition?
And that answer is correct. Alright, Faith, it's your turn to choose the next question. Have a crack at it.
I choose question 11 for 300 points.
Question 11. Personal favorite of mine. What is
filtration?
What is solid substances being separated from liquids and solutions?
Quite a lengthy answer, but it's correct. Would you like to choose the next one?
Question 15 for 1,000, please.
1,000 points. This is a lot on the line. Question is, what is distillation?
What is differences in boiling points of substances used to separate a homogeneous mixture into its components?
That answer is correct. Gods, he must have taught you really well.
Gods, he must have taught you really well.
Alright, Faith, it is your turn. Pick any question you like.
I'll choose question 6 for 200 points.
Question 6 for 200 is, what is the definition of an element?
What is a piece of the earth?
I'm really truthfully sorry to tell you this is the wrong answer. Faith, would you like to try the same question?
What is smallest divisions of matter that retain their chemical properties?
That is correct. Faith, you seem to be on a roll with only 10 questions left. What's your next pick?
Question 9 for 300 points.
Question 9 for 300. You got it. Question is, what types of motion do liquids take?
What is vibrational and rotational?
That answer is correct. Faith getting the last answer correct, she gets to choose the next. Eli, however, has been cold. He needs to start heating up, getting some answers right.
Question 4 for 100 points.
Question 4. What is a calorie?
What is they make you fat?
Ooh, I'm afraid that's incorrect. Eli, would you like a crack at it?
What is the amount of energy required to heat 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius?
That answer is correct, Eli. This guy is fire lit again. With Eli getting that question correct, take your pick at which one you'd like to answer next.
Question 2 for 100, please.
Question 2. You got it. What is the difference between physical and chemical properties?
Physical properties are characteristics, and chemical properties are the material's ability to form new substances.
Seems like Eli really knows his chemistry, because that answer is correct. With Eli getting that last question correct, it's your
Turn to pick the next question.
Question 14 for 1,000, please.
one of the big 3. 14, worth 1,000. What is an example of a compound?
What is water?
A one-word answer, water. Hydrogen plus oxygen. That is a compound. Faith, back on track to getting this #1 victory royale. Which one would you like next?
Question 10 for 300.
Question 10, 300 points. What are compounds?
What is a mix of 2 or more elements?
That answer is correct. Show is coming to a close. Only 5 more questions. These are all crucial points. Eli, take your next pick.
I'd like question 12 for 300, please.
Ask and you shall receive. Question 12, worth 300. What is the SI unit of energy?
What is a calorie?
I'm afraid that is the wrong answer. Faith, would you like a shot at it?
What is a joule?
And that is correct. Extra points for Faith. Faith, it is your turn to choose your next desired question.
I choose question 5 for 200 points.
Question 5, 200 points. This is crucial in a game this tight and this late in the game. The question is, what is the particle distance of solids?
What is as close together as possible?
As close together as possible. That is correct. Almost as close as your guys' scores. Oh no, folks. It appears we're running out of time. It is now time for Final Jeopardy. The final question, worth 10,000 points. Who is the best chemistry teacher?
Who is Godsey?
And that is correct! Thank you all for tuning in tonight. Now it's time for me to thank our contestants. Thank you for joining us tonight. Thank you as well, Faith, for joining us tonight.
What is solid substances being separated from liquids and not... No, Faith answers this one. I can't do it.
Question 1. Excellent choice. What is so funny, Eli?